This is the part two of the lecture series on this introduction to artificial intelligence and its different applications. So you have seen that in the last class, what comprises to artificial intelligence. So mathematics, biology, psychology, sociology, computer science, neuron study, statistics, these are the different areas. Okay, maybe our different other discipline may exist which comprises to artificial intelligence, but these are the main important areas which exactly contributes towards developing a model based on artificial intelligence. Well, so this is the diagram representing them. You will see that AI is composed of or has been contributed by sociology, computer science, psychology, neuroscience, biology, philosophy, and maths. Okay. Then we should know that the basic difference between a program with AI and a program without AI. So let's discuss them then. Programming without AI and programming with AI. A computer program without AI can answer the specific questions it is meant to solve. Well, do note that term specific. But in case of AI, programming with AI, a computer program with AI can answer the generic questions it is meant to solve. Now we are using the term generic. Well, so this means that whenever we have developed a program to solve a particular problem, like you can consider that is quadratic equation problem, that program can solve only those problems those which are quadratic equations. If I am giving cubic equation problem, if I am giving, to the power 12, to the power 20, like that, those problems, it cannot solve. It is specifically designed to solve quadratic equations. But if a program that has been developed with AI to solve equation, then it can solve any other equations. It is not just stick to quadratic equations. Got it? So programming without AI is specific, but programming with AI is generic. As you know, modification in the programs, in case of programming without AI, it will change the whole structure. So it will obviously not easy, and of course it is not quick. It may lead to some effect that towards the program that will make it to behave adversely. Got it? But in case of programming with AI, AI programs can absorb new modification by putting highly independent pieces of information together. So you can modify even a minute piece of information of program without affecting its structure. It is obviously quick and easy. So these are the main differences between programming without AI and programming with AI. I hope this is very clear to you now. Now, coming to the types of artificial intelligence. We have type 1 and we have type 2 AI. So let's see what are they. This diagram, sorry if I'm not means creating a very good picture, but still I think I am able to draw some meaning to this different types of AI. The first one, type 1, and this is based on capabilities, and you see that under type 1 we have narrow AI, we have general AI, we have strong AI. Well, we'll see each of them in details. Then type 2 is based on functionality, and we have reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, and self-awareness under this type 2 AI. So you can take a screenshot of this. This will help you. Sorry. Now, as you have already seen that this type 1 is based on capabilities. Capability means your ability to do something. That machine's ability to do that something. Okay, the tasks for which it has been designed. Now, first one, that is first type one, is weak AI or narrow AI. And this is the most common and currently available AI which is able to perform a dedicated task with intelligence. But it is only trained for one specific task and may not perform or beyond its fields or limitation. Just to remind you that this specific means I'm talking about that specific the particular one area of tasks. Like you can consider playing chess, processing suggestions on e-commerce site, self-driving cars, speech recognition, image recognitions in these different areas actually coming under narrow AI. Got it? As you know, IBM's Watson Shop supercomputer, they use an expert system approach combined with machine learning and natural language or NLP, natural language processing. Similarly, we have Apple series. I hope you all know what are they. So these are coming under weak or narrow AI, and this is the most common AI. Then we have general AI, and this could perform any intellectual task with efficiency like a human. But surely you will be means very you up to now you see that there is no such systems exist which could come under general AI and can perform any task as perfect as a human. Then we have super AI, and this can perform any task better than human with cognitive properties. And this is the level of intelligence of system at which machine could surpass you, that is human intelligence. And characteristics are the ability to think, to reason, to solve the puzzle, make judgments, plan, learn, communicate by tone. These are the different characteristics. But this is hypothetical concept only, and it's obviously research is going on. Then type 2 is based on functionality, means how it works, how it functions exactly. Like consider the first one, reactive machines. And reactive machines means those systems which do not store memories or past experiences for future actions. Means it only focus that what is currently happening, current scenarios only, and react on as per the best possible action concern with respect to that current scenario. So these are the reactive machines, and examples are IBM's Deep Blue system, Google's AlphaGo. Okay, so these reactive machines, my suggestion that at least go do some research on this each of them. Okay, so this coming under reactive machines. Then limited memory. Yeah, it can store some past experiences or some data for a short period of time. Like nowadays the very popular emerging means technique, that is self-driving cars, self-driving bikes. Like these self-driving cars can store recent speed of nearby cars, the distance of other cars, speed limit, other information, and that will help it to navigate the road properly and keep it away from any type of unfortunate accidents. So this self-driving car coming under limited memory. Then we have theory of mind. And this AI has the ability to understand the human emotions, people, beliefs, and be able to interact socially like we do, like we human do. But they are still not developed, and research is going on. Then the self-awareness, and you can consider it as the future of artificial intelligence. And they will be super intelligent, possess their own consciousness, sentiments, and self-awareness, and will be smarter than human mind. So again, this is a hypothetical concept. So these are the different parts. Okay, type 1 and type 2. Clear? Like your super AI, that is a hypothetical concept. Similarly, we have self-awareness as a hypothetical concept. Small question to you, that Google's AlphaGo, that comes under which one? Reactive machines